let's talk about turning shapes. I have here on the grid trapezoid BAKE. And the instruction says that I have to state the final position of the letter X if the trapezoid is turned fixed at a point and it is turned through different angles. So 180 degrees, 90 degrees, and 270 degrees, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So let's start first with letter number 1. I'll use green for number 1. So I have here fixed at A. We have to know first where point A is. So point A is right here. And we want to turn the shape 180 degrees. It actually doesn't matter if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise because it will just fall on the same spot, okay, when you turned it. Now, a good way to turn a shape is to look for a reference line. So what line here in the trapezoid can I use? Or which is the most efficient line to turn 180 degrees? And then the rest of the lines will follow. What do you think? Will it be line BA, AK, KE, or BE? So, since we are turning at point A, we can either use any line that passes through point A. Okay? So, or that has point A in it. So we can use either AK or BA. You can choose either of the two. But which one is easier to turn? Okay. Let me put a 4-point compass right here at point A. So now we have to turn the line 180 degrees. And I think the most efficient line to use is line BA because it already falls on the grid. Well, you can still use AK if you want to, but BA falls on the grid. It's easier to turn 180 degrees. So let's now try turning BA 180 degrees. So I'll turn it clockwise 180. That would mean that BA will be right here. So make sure that you have the same number of units for each line. So BA here has 4 units. Therefore, the BA, when you turn it, will still have 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So point B will be in here. Then, the other lines would now follow. So if AB is here, we will have BE right here. So 2 units. We have it here. And then, so E is here. 2 units for EK. 2 units. And then AK right here. There. So where will X be? X will be near K, so X will be in here. Final position of X will be at J4. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, let's proceed to number 2. Fixed at E, turned 90 degrees clockwise. So now, I'll just erase this one for you not to be confused. Again, we look at point E first. Point E. Now, which line is better to use? Which line or reference line is it easier to use or is easier to use for us to turn the shape? So again, any line that has E in it. So we can have either EB or EK. But then again, EB or EK. Again, EK falls on the grid, so that will be much easier to use. So let me put a 4-point compass at point E, and then let's start turning the line EK. Okay. So the line EK, we have to turn it 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise is going downwards. So if EK is here, 90 degrees clockwise will be like that. So 90 degrees. So therefore, EK would now be in here. So same 2 units. So K right there. And then the rest of the lines will follow. So KA will be in here. KA. And then AB 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. That's B. And then letter E or EB, line EB will be in here. So where will our X be? It will be right there. So where's the final position of X? It is now at E6. Now try to pause this video and try to find out number 3. Where will the position of X be if it's fixed at B and turned 270 degrees anti-clockwise? So, let us now check if your answer is correct. Now we have here fixed at B. So again, you can use either BE or BA for your reference line. But since BA is falling on the grid, it's easier to use it as a reference line. So if this is my 4-point compass, I want to turn BA 270 degrees anti-clockwise. So that would now be 90, 90, and then another 90. So that's 270 degrees. So my BA will now be in here. 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4 units. So A will be there. Again, the rest of the lines will follow. So therefore, we have here AK, KE, and then BE. So therefore, my X will now be in here. Final position of X is now at F3. Okay, did you get your answer right? Now, let's try more for practice. So, for number 4, I want you to find out the position of X fixed at E, turned, let's say this time 90 degrees anti-clockwise. And then another one would be fixed at K, turned 270 degrees clockwise. Okay. So try these 2 items out, and then let's try to see if your answers are correct. I'll be posting the answer in the description. Okay, so I hope this video has somehow helped you how